I had a dream, camped in a random location, wake up, have a nice hot coffee, step outside, and launch into the sky. Today, that's gonna happen. No, I'm not flying the Mars colony. Not yet, anyway. This is Coober Pedy, a mining town deep in the Australian outback. This is a very harsh, unforgiving landscape. Extremely hot by day, freezing cold at night. There's almost no water here and very little life. The majority of the people that live here live underground. I'm flying over Coober Pedy's equivalent of a suburb. These are buried houses, mine shafts that have been turned into homes. You can see the driveways and porches as I pass over them. They offer great protection from the harsh elements, maintain a constant temperature inside, and offer a very nice living environment, unlike the surface.
Going to do a low pass over the mine shaft, 300 feet. It's nicer down low than it is up high. There's a bit of wind, but down here, 300 feet, 400 feet, just smooth as.
The landscape around Coober Pedy is a sea of opal mines. It looks like a giant rabbit warren. The soil is turned over everywhere. Here, fortunes are made and lives are lost. This is probably the only way to really explore over these mines. You can't walk around amongst them, it's too dangerous. People fall into concealed holes on a regular basis. For this flight alone, I have to say it was worth getting the paramotor. This is amazing.
Over open mine at the moment. Unbelievable. You'd never have an experience like this any other way. Just incredible. Got the music playing through my Bluetooth. I used to know a guy that made a fortune here. He dug up a giant chunk of opal and bought a huge property out north, Valverine Cattle Station, and I worked there as a jackaroo for a while when I was a kid.
This landscape is insane. The lack of features give it almost no sense of scale. Really hard to judge how high I am. There's clear airspace here. There's no controlled airspace anywhere in the region. So I'm free to climb as high as I like. So I decide to go into a climb and see how far I can get. My hands are bloody freezing. I think this is as high as I can get. Need a pair of ski gloves.
Coober Pedy at 4,000 feet. Here's how she looks. Beautiful. It's butter smooth. Beautiful air. Woo! Look at that. How spectacular. Doing nearly 80 kilometres an hour downwind. Did the tourist thing here yesterday. Went and had coffee at an underground cafe. wandered around inside a mine shaft, had a look at an underground house. Yeah, Coober Pedy an amazing place. It's beautiful, it's very different, harsh.
Hey, if you like my content, please pause it here, like, share, comment and subscribe. And it'll keep me motivated to make more free videos for you. And if you want, check out a few of these other adventures.